FC01 networking operation. There are two methods to connect FC01 to network. 1. Networking through mobile phone. 2. Networking through platform. 1. Networking through mobile phone. Power on without connecting to the auxiliary module. Click About. Click Wi-Fi. A QR code of WeChat mini program shown on the interface. Scan this QR code on WeChat. It jumps to WeChat mini program. Keep Wi-Fi on and connect to the network. Keep Bluetooth on. Select device number. Click Connect. Currently it only supports automatic connection with 2.4G network. For dual-band network, please enter the Wi-Fi name manually. After entering the password, click Confirm. Wait for the connection. If it's connected successfully, the Wi-Fi signal strength will be shown on FC01. Please check whether it has been connected to Wi-Fi successfully. 2. Networking through platform. Note, there are two data cable interfaces on FC01, one for transmitting data, and the other for supplying power. It can be distinguished according to the marking icons on the back of FC01. Please make sure the connection method is correct. Connect FC01 to computer. Open AS platform. Device connects with platform automatically. Turn on Wi-Fi automatically. Select the network to be connected with. After entering the password, click OK. Wait for the connection to complete. If the target network is not found, users can select Configure Network locally. Enter the Wi-Fi name and password manually to complete the networking process.